Hey, welcome back to SkyTech. I am so glad you're here because today we are doing something that would have cost real money and weeks of waiting just a few years ago. We are going to build you a clean, professional portfolio website, a real place on the internet with your name on it where you can show off your projects, tell people who you are, and let them contact you. And the best part? You will not write a single line of code. Not one. I know that sounds too good to be true, and I remember feeling exactly that way the first time someone told me. It felt like being handed the keys to a car when I had never even sat in the driver's seat. But I promise you, by the time we finish, you are going to look at that little chat box and think, oh, this is easy, I can do this. So grab a coffee, get comfy, and let us build something you can actually be proud of by the end of the afternoon. So let me paint the picture of what we are making. Imagine a little house with 3 rooms. The first room is your front door, the hero, where people land and instantly see your name and what you do. The second room is your gallery, where your projects hang on the wall like framed pictures. The third room is your about and contact area, where people learn your story and reach out to you. That is a portfolio website, not a flimsy log template you rent from some company, but a place that is genuinely yours, that you can change anytime you want, forever. And this matters more than you might think. When you use one of those drag and drop template sites, you are basically living in a furnished apartment where the landlord glued the furniture to the floor. You cannot move the couch, you cannot repaint, and if you stop paying, everything vanishes. What we are building today is different. It is yours. You hold the keys. You own the walls. And you decide everything that goes inside. That feeling of ownership is worth so much, especially when this little site is representing you to the world. Now here is a spicy little question that gets people fired up online, and I want you to actually think about it. Do we even need web designers anymore? Because honestly, with the tools I am about to show you, a total beginner can spin up a site in an hour that looks better than what agencies charged $3,000 for a decade ago. Some folks say that is amazing and freeing. Others say it is cheating and it is going to put people out of work. I think the truth is somewhere in the middle, but I genuinely want to hear where you land. Do not be shy about disagreeing with me down in the comments. Alright, let us talk about the actual tools because that is probably why you clicked. There are 3 friendly ones I want you to know by name: Lovable, Bolt, and Replit. Think of them like 3 different kitchens that all cook the same kind of meal. You walk in, you tell them what dish you want in plain English, and they start cooking. Lovable is beautifully simple and great for websites like this. Bolt is fast and snappy. Replit is a little more powerful for when you grow. For today, any of the 3 will work perfectly, so just pick the one whose name makes you smile and open it up. And do not agonize over this choice, please. Beginners lose so much time worrying they picked the wrong tool, like standing frozen in the cereal aisle for 20 minutes. Here is the honest truth. They are all good. The skill you learn in one carries straight over to the others because they all speak the same simple language, which is plain English. So flip a coin if you have to. You can always try another one next weekend and see which kitchen feels cozier to you. Once you are inside one of these tools, you are going to see a chat box. That is it. That is the whole magic. It looks just like texting a friend. You type what you want and the site appears next to you like a live preview. So the first thing you do is describe your website in normal human words. Do not try to sound technical. Do not use fancy terms. Just talk to it the way you would tell a buddy what you are dreaming up. Picture ordering at a restaurant. You do not explain the chemistry of cooking to the waiter. You just say what you want on your plate. And here is a little secret that takes the pressure off completely. You cannot break anything by typing the wrong thing. There is no big red button that ruins your computer. If the AI misunderstands you, you simply tell it again in different words, the same way you would gently correct a friend who grabbed the wrong coffee order. So relax your shoulders, stop trying to sound smart, and just describe the website you can see in your head. So here's the exact starting prompt I want you to type word for word, and then you can tweak the details to fit you. Type this: build me a clean, modern, personal portfolio website. It should have a hero section at the top with my name, a short tagline, and a photo. Below that, a project section with 3 cards, each with an image, a title, and a short description. Then an about section with a paragraph about me. And finally, a contact section with a simple form for name, email, and message. Use a calm color scheme and make it look professional and friendly. That is it. Hit enter and watch it build. Quick pause because I want to hear from you before we keep going. In one word, what is your portfolio actually for? Is it for a job, for freelance clients, for showing off art, or just for fun? Drop that one word in the comments right now. I read them and it genuinely helps me make better videos for exactly what you are trying to do. One word, that is all I am asking. Okay, now here is the single most important skill in this whole no-code world. And once you get it, you will feel unstoppable. It is a simple loop. Describe, look, then fix one thing. You describe what you want. You look at what the tool made. Then you change exactly one thing at a time. Think of it like seasoning a pot of soup. You do not dump in salt, pepper, garlic, and chili all at once and then taste it. You add a pinch of salt, taste, then decide the next move. If you tell the AI to change 10 things in one message and something breaks, you will have no idea which change caused it. One pinch at a time keeps you in control. This one habit is honestly the difference between people who love this stuff and people who give up frustrated. The folks who get overwhelmed are almost always the ones firing off a giant wish list in a single breath, then panicking when the whole thing looks wonky. The folks who breeze through it move slow and steady. One small request, one look, one small request, one look. It feels slower in the moment, but it is actually the fastest way there. Just like measuring twice before you cut the wood. So you look at your site and let us say the hero looks great, but the projects feel cramped. You just say, in the project section, add more space between the cards and make the images a bit bigger. Look again. Better? Good, move on. Maybe the colors feel too cold. You say, make the color scheme warmer, more of a soft cream and gold feeling. Look again. This back and forth is the entire job. You are not building, you are directing. You are the person in the director chair pointing at the screen saying, a little to the left, now make it pop. Now let me warn you about the thing that trips up almost every single beginner, so you do not panic when it happens to you. Images. 9 times out of 10, your project pictures will show up as broken little boxes, or gray placeholders, or the wrong photo entirely. This is completely normal. It is not you breaking anything. The tool just used a stand-in image because it does not have your actual pictures yet. So here are the exact words to fix it. You say, the project images are not showing up correctly. Please replace them with clean placeholder images for now, and add a spot where I can upload my own photos later. That fixes it almost every time. The other classic troublemaker is the contact form. It will look perfect, but when you click send, nothing happens, or you get a little error. Again, do not sweat it. This is like a beautiful new mailbox that is not connected to the post office yet. The box exists. It just is not wired up to actually deliver mail. So you tell the AI, in plain words, the contact form is not sending messages when I click submit. Please make the form work so that when someone fills it out, it sends the message to my email address. The tool will walk you through connecting it, usually with a couple of clicks and no code at all. And if it asks you to sign up for a little email service to make the delivery work, do not let that scare you off. It is the same idea as connecting your new mailbox to the actual postal route so letters can travel. Just follow the friendly steps it gives you, click where it points, and test it once. The moment a message from your own form lands in your inbox, you will feel like a genuine builder, because you are one. So how do you know when you are actually finished? Here is my simple checklist, and you can feel it more than measure it. Click every button and every link, and make sure nothing feels dead. Scroll through on your phone, not just your computer, because half your visitors will be on a phone, and the site should look just as neat there. Read your own words out loud, and make sure they sound like you, not like a robot. And fill out your own contact form, and check that the message actually lands in your inbox. When all 4 of those feel right, my friend, you are done. That is a finished website. And here's the part that makes this truly yours, and not some rented template. Every one of these tools has a publish button, and when you press it, your site goes live on the real internet, with a web address you can send to anyone. Later, you can even connect your own custom name, like your .com, so it feels totally official. Nobody can take it away. Nobody is charging you rent on a lock design. And anytime you want to add a new project or change a word, you just open the chat and describe the change. It is like owning your home instead of renting an apartment where you cannot even paint the walls. Before I let you go, one more quick question for the comments, and then a little heads up about what is next. Here's the question. Which tool did you try today? Lovable, Bolt, or Replit? Just tell me the name. I am curious which one you beginners are gravitating toward. And if this video helped you feel even a little less intimidated, please hit that subscribe button, because it genuinely helps this channel reach more nervous beginners just like you were a few minutes ago. Next time, we are leveling up in a big way. The video is called Build a Habit Tracker App with AI, Beginner Step by Step. And it is where we finally start saving your information so the app remembers you. I will see you in that one. Now go publish that portfolio and send the link to someone you trust. You earned it, my friend.